some big gaps here that the customers put in their own drywall. So I am the taper and the mudder on this particular project. But the problem with this corner is it goes up, and then whoop, it goes in. There's a definite zigzag right here, right there. So what I'm going to do is when I put the corner bead on, it's going to come up. It's going to be slightly up. There's going to be a lot of mud in there to fill that, but not too much. I'll probably go ahead and meet the surface up there. So you see what this corner bead's going to do? It's going to make that all go away. Yeah, here we got it. Let's see how it looks. Except for the mud sticking out. I'm feeling it with my fingers. And I'm using my hand to tell where it's sticking out, you know, right? It feels pretty good. It feels pretty plump. You want to wipe the mud off the corner because the corner is going to be exposed. But now look at it after I wiped it. Yeah. It's a much cleaner line. Much, much cleaner. So there you have it. The zigzag is gone. This is the original corner bead problem, and you can see it goes nice and up. There is no longer a jag there, and so it looks really good. That is just fine, and then the top coat will take care of the rest of that.